Vladimir Putin's army is being outgunned and outwitted by Ukraine's much smaller forces thanks to the revolutionary application of artificial intelligence, according to Western military experts. The UK's Ministry of Defense estimated that Russian commanders had at their disposal as many as 900,000 active military personnel, of which almost 200,000 were committed to the invasion. Furthermore, Russia boasted more than 13,000 tanks, just under 6,000 artillery pieces and close to 20,000 armored vehicles in its arsenal prior to the unleashing of hostilities. In comparison, Kyiv is just 196,000 active military personnel, according to the International Institute of Strategic Studies. Ukraine's army also possessed just over 2,000 tanks, 1,960 artillery pieces and 2,870 armored vehicles when the war broke out. Despite this huge Russian advantage in terms of offensive weapons, Ukraine's army has inflicted a series of humiliating defeats on Putin's generals and managed to reclaim more than 70,000 square kilometers of occupied territory. The key to Kyiv's success lies in its access to an application of artificial intelligence technology developed by the US tech firm, Palantir, a firm co-owned by the billionaire Peter Thiel. Ukraine's commanders are skillfully using the advanced software produced by the company to help their artillery units deliver more accurate and deadlier strikes against Russian positions and logistical supply lines. A defense source told The Times, "The Russians are using their artillery like it's the First World War. What the Ukrainians are doing is completely different. A digital army is fighting an analog army. What you are seeing is that the digital army, despite being a fraction of the size, is able to massively outperform its analog adversary." Palantir's meta-constellation software relies on intelligence gathered on enemy troop positions by commercial satellites, heat sensors and reconnaissance drones, as well as spies working behind enemy lines. The software then uses artificial intelligence to transform the data into a map highlighting the likely positions of Russian artillery, tanks and troops. A Ukrainian soldier using a tablet device is given a list of coordinates and can then direct their fire. The technology also learns from previous strikes, meaning that it is constantly getting better at identifying and locating targets. The AI technology allows commanders on the ground to pinpoint up to 300 enemy targets a day, according to General Sir Richard Barons, a senior commander of British troops in Iraq and Afghanistan. Ukraine has received a steady supply of modern weaponry from Western and NATO countries, including HIMARS and M270 multiple launch rocket systems. However, many of the weapons being delivered are decades old and first entered military service during the Gulf War.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.